You're managing dozens of active clients. You've built your tech stack, you've documented all your processes, and it's working, kind of. But here's the missing part. Even with all of those systems in place, you're still the one holding it together. A client asks for a file you've already sent twice. That means another 20 minutes digging through your inbox for the correct email thread. A client's invoice is overdue, but you feel awkward chasing them up. So you put it off again. A sales call goes well, which means a brand new client. Now you're manually writing the same welcome message to them, creating another contract from scratch, and filling in a lot of the same details that are included on all the other ones. And the thing is, you know there's a better way. You've tried to piece it together. Maybe you use Notion for tasks, Google Drive to manage all of your files, Calendly for your meetings, Stripe for payments, email, and maybe a bit of Slack for communication too. Each tool works great on its own, but together, it's fragmented. And that fragmentation has a cost. Internally, it costs you time, energy, and mental bandwidth that could be spent on actual client work. And externally, it costs you trust. Because when a client's experience feels scattered, they don't start analyzing your tech stack. They just feel like something's off. They feel friction, and that feeling affects whether they buy, whether they stay, or whether they refer more people to you. If you ever want to stop trading time for money and start building something sustainable, scalable, something that operates smoothly without you at the center of every interaction, you need a client experience that does the heavy lifting for you. And that's where today's sponsor, Assembly, comes in. Assembly is a client portal platform, but that description doesn't quite do it justice. Think of it as a single space where all of your client relationships live. Communication, files, tasks, payments, all of your onboarding, all in one space. Each client gets their own private branded portal. They can log in and see exactly what they need, and they never have to dig through their inbox to find something you've sent them. And you get a dashboard where you can manage all of your clients from one place. No jumping between tools, no copying and pasting between systems. No more being the human glue that is sticking it all together and making it work. And the best part of all of this is you don't have to sacrifice your current tool stack. Assembly can integrate with the tools that you are already using and automate a lot of the repetitive work, so you're not having to do it manually over and over each time. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how Assembly works across all the key stages of the client lifecycle, from lead management to sales conversion, onboarding, delivery, and retention. We'll switch back and forth between my side and the client side so you can get a full view of how this all comes together to create a seamless client experience. Let's say someone fills out an inquiry form on your website. Right now, maybe that lands in your email. Maybe you manually copy their details over to your CRM. Or maybe you just reply from your inbox and hope to remember that follow-up. With Assembly, we can connect that form directly to our Assembly CRM using Zapier or Make. Now, when someone submits, they are automatically added as a lead. There they are. We've got their name, email, service they're interested in, and the message they sent. All captured, no manual entry required. One of the most powerful features in Assembly is custom fields, and that's what we've used to make this possible. This services dropdown, it directly links to a custom field in Assembly. This inquiry form message, that's a custom text property. I use these to track the information that I need to collect from each lead or client. So you'll see here I also have a custom field for stage. Here we have new lead, qualified prospect, active client, and past client. This inquiry form submission brings this person in as a new lead. Now let's say there's additional information I want to track. Maybe their budget, location, how they found us. Project scope. All I need to do is add a field, choose my type, and customize it accordingly. Now here's where things get really interesting. Even though they are not a paying client, I can give them access to certain parts of my portal. So let's say I want to give leads access to a welcome page with some free resources. Maybe I want to include a video explaining how we work. or a link to book a discovery call. From their side, they can instantly log in and see this curated experience. They're not getting access to the full client portal, just a taste of what it's like to work with us. Think about what this does. Before they've even paid you, they're experiencing something that most service providers don't offer. You're not telling them what it's like to work with you, you're showing them. So let's say they click to book a discovery call. We have the call. It goes really well. They're interested. Now watch this. I go into their profile and I've already set up a custom field called Project Scope. So I can now enter that scope in based on the discovery call. Now let's update their stage to qualified prospect. Here's where it gets good. I've already got a contract template set up with my standard terms. Watch what happens when I share it. We see the client's name, the company name, today's date, and the project scope that I just entered, all pulled automatically from their profile using those custom fields. All I need to do is hit send and they will get notified. From their side, they can click in, review the terms, scroll down and sign right there in their portal. No printing, no scanning, no need for third-party tools. Once signed, the completed contract is saved within the contract section and we both have access to it. And if you want to take this even further, you can automate the whole process. When the stage is changed to qualified prospect, automatically send the contract populated with their project scope. From discovery call to signed contract with minimal manual work. No delays and no chasing. The contract is signed, which means we officially have a new client. I'm going to go ahead and update the stage and send their first invoice. They can pay directly through email notification or in the billing section of their portal. Now this part is where it's easy to drop the ball. Onboarding. It's that moment where buyer's remorse is the highest. They have invested money, but they are yet to receive the deliverables, so they often feel a little uncertain about their decision. Think about what usually happens at this stage. Perhaps you send a welcome email. Maybe you forget to attach the intake form. You panic about starting work when they haven't paid the invoice yet. Realize you maybe forgot to mention something. Now you have to send a third email. That feels a little awkward, but not with Assembly. With Assembly, I'm going to set up an automation to ensure I don't forget anything. When a contract is signed, automatically assign a task for the client to book their kickoff call. Let me show you what this looks like from the client side. As soon as they log into their portal, they're going to be able to see their new notifications. Their welcome message, a task waiting, their signed contract, their paid invoice, and an easy way to book their kickoff call. Clear next steps. And you can set it up so every time you make an update, they receive an email notification. I've also set up an intake form with questions about their business, their goals, and their preferences. All the information that I need to do great work. After our kickoff call, I'm going to assign it to them. They submit, I'll get notified, and their responses are attached to their profile. No chasing payments, no awkward follow-up emails, no back and forth for basic information. They've signed their contract, paid the invoice, and completed onboarding. All within the portal, and all without you manually handling each step. Onboarding is done. It's time to deliver on scope and experience. Let's start with files. Throughout your project, you'll be sharing deliverables, resources, and assets. Where do those live? In Assembly, I can upload them directly to my client's file channel. They have instant access. And let's say you store files in Google Drive, Dropbox, Notion. No problem at all. Files can be uploaded directly or you can share them as a link. I can then organize all my files in folders, project deliverables for one, brand assets for another, maybe some reference materials over here. And when clients need to send me something, they can upload them the exact same way. No more email attachments getting lost. No more which version is the final one. And no more trying to figure out which tool each item was stored in. Now let's look at tasks. Let's say I need the client to review a draft and provide feedback. I can create a task, assign it to the client, set a due date. They're going to see it in their portal with clear instructions, a clear deadline. We can comment back and forth, and when it's completed, I'll get notified. From my internal dashboard, I'm going to be able to see every outstanding task across all clients. Nothing is slipping through. And if you have a team, you can assign tasks to them too. Everyone knows what they're accountable for. Throughout the client's project, we're going to be communicating through their message channel. Quick questions, feedback, updates. Clients can reply through email notification or in their portal. All the communication still lands in one place. And here's another cool thing. Let's say that you want to communicate to all of your clients or multiple clients at once. Assembly makes that really easy to do with bulk messaging. Assembly also has an AI assistant built in. So if I ever need a summary of the last client conversation I had or need some help drafting a message, I've got that support built in. All of these navigation tabs that you see, they're called apps. Now, this is a great starting point, but here's what really changes how we manage clients at scale. All your favorite tools, you can bring them directly into your portal and make them part of your client's experience. No longer do they have to log into each tool, they can access it all from their portal. So let's say I use Calendly for my scheduling. We saw that book a link earlier. I've embedded this directly into the portal. Now, when the lead or the client clicks on book a call from the sidebar, Calendly loads up right there. No extra links. No extra tabs. Now, in my own business, process mapping is a big part of how I work with clients. So you can see here that I've embedded a Miro board. Each Miro board should only be accessed by the specified client. To set this up, all I need to do is go into App Setup, select Miro, paste my link, and adjust my permissions. You can embed any of the integrations shown here or add your own via iframe or embed code. And if you want something a little more custom, well, you can do that too. So at this point, we've covered a lot of the stages in the client lifecycle, from lead management to sales conversion, onboarding, and delivery. Now it's time to talk about the stage that is often overlooked: retention. How do we make it easier for clients to stay and buy more from you? Well, in Assembly, we can set up products, our core services, optional add-ons, ongoing subscriptions, and we can present these all in a store page that lives directly in our portal. Clients can browse what else you offer, see transparent pricing, understand what's included with each offer, and if they want to add a service, they can quickly check out themselves in the moment they are ready to buy. And remember those leads I mentioned earlier? The ones I gave limited portal access before they became a client? We could always adjust our visibility so that those leads see a low ticket offer, a way to start working together without making a big commitment. And with payment links, I can even sell to people who aren't in my portal yet. They click the link, they pay, they get added automatically. That's one step from stranger to paying client. You are no longer delivering a project. You are building an environment that encourages long-term client relationships and sustainable growth. The result? A business that scales. So let's zoom out. Every client has their own portal, their own message history, their own files, their own contracts, forms, invoices, and tasks. But I manage them all from one dashboard. I can see who needs attention, who has overdue tasks, who has unpaid invoices, everything at a glance. And when something does need my attention, I get notified. When something needs the client's attention, they get notified. I can set it up so a lot of the repetitive tasks happen automatically: welcome sequences, reminder emails, file organization, task creation. This is the real value of Assembly and what it gives you. Number one, time. Hours you get back every week because you're no longer spending it on admin, chasing clients, or manually doing tasks that could be automated. 2, energy. All that mental bandwidth that you are no longer burning trying to remember what's been sent, what's outstanding, and what needs to happen next. 3, Delegation. When your systems live in one place, you are empowered to hand pieces over. A VA can oversee your portal. You can assign team members to clients. You're no longer the only one who knows where everything is and the current state of each project. Everyone has access to the information they need, and they are no longer dependent on you being available at all times. Finally, trust. Your clients trust you more because you've provided them with a frictionless experience. And when clients trust you, they stay longer, they buy more, and they refer you. That's not just a better client experience. That's a more efficient, sustainable, and scalable business. If you've been trying to piece together client management using multiple different tools and still feeling overwhelmed, fragmented, and like you're the one holding it all together, Assembly is a solution. And the best part is you can set it up quickly. In the description, you will find a number of resources that I've created to help you set this up with ease, including a 15-minute portal setup tutorial. Assembly offers a 14-day trial, enough time for you to build your portal, set up a test client, and experience the benefits for yourself. And when you're ready, you can use Chloë at checkout to access $100 off of your plan. Thank you again to our friends over at Assembly for sponsoring today's video. If you are ready to stop being the bottleneck and build a sustainable, scalable business, give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below.